One of the questions people ask me all the time is, should I try to do it myself? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how you can tell right after this.
Regardless of your skill level in home repair or woodworking, you want a glue that you can trust, because a glue that doesn't work can ruin any project in a hurry. Fortunately, Titebond has the glue you need to get the job done with confidence. From interior glues with strong initial tack and short clamp times to exterior glues with exceptional strength and water resistance, look to Titebond for the right glue for your next project. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
People have different reasons to do home improvement projects themselves. The financial saving is a big issue for some because labor costs are a big part of most projects, but you also have to consider the cost of buying or renting tools and the value of your time. Some people just want the gratification of seeing a project they completed with their own hands. Whatever your reasons, figure out what your limitations are by educating yourself before you wade into your first big project. Attend a workshop on laying ceramic tile or applying a faux finish to walls, or take a class on wood turning. Ultimately, whatever your reasons are for doing it yourself, you won't do a very good job unless it's something you really enjoy. So find out what you like and develop those skills. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.